Great art can challenge us, surprise us, excite us, and inspire us. At the Arts Council of Wales, we believe there is a powerful case to be made for the value of the arts and the enjoyment that they bring. It's all about quality of life. Who hasn't, at some point in their lives, been stirred by the impact of a powerful photograph, the tingle down the spine that can come with an unexpectedly dramatic moment, or the involuntary tapping of the toe to a seductive dance rhythm? These are the things that force us to feel and remind us what it is to be alive. The arts matter, and lots of people in Wales agree. The arts are something that Wales does well. The arts give shape and meaning to so many of the things that underpin public life, from arts and health to cultural tourism, public art to town centre regeneration. The arts bring meaning, authenticity, and enjoyment to our everyday lives. They create and sustain jobs, enrich education services, bring people together, improve our quality of life. As well as being important and enjoyable in their own right, the arts are big business. They promote our culture and our country on the world stage. They're the shortcut to understanding who we are and the values we represent at home and abroad. They are touchable and symbolic, profitable and accessible. They inspire, question, and help us to imagine our future. It's our arts that differentiate us and make us special. All of this is possible because of the support and investment of public funding to the arts. The Welsh Government and local authorities across Wales invest public money on your behalf, making Wales a better place to live, work and visit. The arts matter to Wales.